waiting for it to warm up enough to clear my windshield because it's 24 friggin' degrees outside today, but Robbie texted me, said he's not feeling good. He wants to be picked up from school. I asked him to stick it out. He stuck it out for an additional hour, and now he feels even worse. So I'm gonna go pick him up, and since I have to be out in this crap anyway, I might as well continue on past the school and go to the post office, which is right nearby there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come home and get back under my covers and warm up because it's freezing. I hate this weather. I'm hoping the roads aren't icy. Ugh. Alright, you guys, I got a ton of Christmas cards in the mail. I am so excited. I'm going to open these all up and share them with you, but I did get Mr. Robert here home. He's taking some medicine. How you feeling, babe? Not good, huh? Oh, so, oh.
Ew. Yeah,
gross medicine?
Yeah.
Alright, well, hopefully it makes you feel better. Go ahead and make yourself a cup of tea or something, and then go lay down, okay? Alright, you guys, I'm going to share these holiday cards with you. I'm so excited. So this one here, it's the most wonderful time of the year. It's got the little station wagon on it with the Christmas tree. So super cute. And this is from Margaret. So thank you so much, Margaret. It says, may beautiful moments and happy memories surround you with joy this Christmas. I love that. This one with the puppy and the kitten is seriously giving me life. I love this. Look at the kittens playing with the little ribbon. So cute. And this one has a lovely little note. It's from Lacey and family, so I'm not going to share the personal notes inside, just because, you know, I don't know that people would want me to share them. But that card was from Lacey, so thank you, Lacey. This card is so beautiful, and this is from Shelby, so thank you so much, Shelby. All of you, be on the lookout for a holiday card in return from me. Oh, I cannot wait to sit down and write all these cards. This says, have a Merry Christmas. I love the rainbow colors. And this one is from Lacey, Robert, and Rose. So thank you guys so much. Love that name, Robert. And I love this card. So thank you so much. Oh, this simplistic card is really beautiful. The little angel. So sweet. And this one is from Kim. So thank you so much, Kim. And lastly, for this round, we have the little snowman card. Last year, I received a zillion cards with snowmen on them. It was like the theme of last year. So that's amazing. I love snowmen, and I love this card too. And this is from Mary. So thank you all so much for your cards. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate this. I need to figure out how I'm going to display them this year. I got the one last week that I still need to display as well. But yeah, thank you so much. And if you have not yet sent me a holiday card and would like to, my P.O. box is listed down below. And of course, anyone who sends me a card will get a card in return. So I love my holiday card exchange. It makes me so happy. Alright, you guys, so I am taking a look at my planner layout that I did last night, and I'm telling you, I was feeling much more motivated last night when I did this than I am today. But I have a whole list of stuff to get done. I need to work on laundry. The kids have been doing their own laundry, which has actually been working out really well. Robbie has always really helped out a lot with the laundry, but now that they're doing their own laundry, all of their stuff stays separate. It's been helping me a ton with sorting laundry, which I've never really done before. Usually I just kind of grab everything and chuck it in the wash and wash it all on cold and hope for the best. You know, me being the domestic goddess that I am. But with the kids pulling out their stuff and keeping their stuff separate and washing it all on their own, because they definitely don't want to wash any more clothes than they have to. Like, they are not going to mix in one of my socks with their clothes. I'm telling you. They're like sticklers for keeping everything of theirs separate. They don't want to do any more laundry than they have to. So, that allows me to then very easily sort my stuff. I wash my clothes all together and then Eric's clothes all together. If he has any work clothes, I wash those separate from everything else. He does have a laundry service with his uniforms, but sometimes he forgets to take them or whatever, and he only has so many uniforms, so sometimes I do take care of that. But it's been helping a ton. And then, of course, towels are separate as well. So it's been really making my laundry routine much easier, but because I didn't do much laundry over the weekend, even though I had good intentions, I got to do all my catching up today. And then I want to do things like meal plan and my grocery list and stuff today, as well as like my pantry inventory and cleaning out my fridge, so that I don't have to then do that tomorrow, so that I can just simply go and do my grocery shopping and get everything put away. So that's my plan for today. Okay, so I got the first load of laundry in. I still have my clothes to do. I actually don't have as many towels and rags as I thought, so that's going to wait until another day. And then I found a couple of the kids' clothes kind of mixed in that I need to separate out, but it's looking like just maybe 2 of my clothes loads and my bedding, and I'll be done since I don't have to do towels, which is awesome. Whew, that was a lot of work, but so much easier sorting laundry now. And by the way, if you were wondering, this is the laundry detergent I use. I use the Persil Pro Clean 2-in-1, and we're just about out of it, so I need to make sure to add that to my grocery list. Alright, so I've been working a little bit on my grocery list and kind of comparing prices and things on the Walmart grocery app. What I like to do is make my grocery list, decide on my meal plan for the week, and then plug everything into the Walmart grocery website. I don't actually order my groceries from there, but it gives me an idea of what it would cost. So then typically the items that I pick up at Aldi are generally a little tiny bit cheaper. So this subtotal says $116. So I imagine that I'm going to be able to get away with right around $100 for my grocery shopping if I stick to my list. And that is my budget. So that's kind of how I gauge whether or not I'm kind of close to my budget. And it gives me a chance to check prices too on Walmart for things, because Walmart's prices tend to vary and Aldi's prices are usually pretty stable. So I tend to know what the prices are of things from Aldi. So I know, like, if I want yogurt, I know about the price that I'm going to pay for it at Aldi. So if I see that it's cheaper at Walmart, I'll pick it up at Walmart. And then what I go through and do is put little asterisks next to the things that have to come from Walmart. And that just makes it super easy for me to go through, get everything I need from the grocery stores, and be good to go. So probably around $100. Maybe it'll be a little bit more. I do have some baking ingredients here because we're going to do some reindeer chow this week. So that's not something I typically would buy. So hopefully I can keep within my budget tomorrow. But I talked to Robbie a little bit while he was laying down, still not feeling great. We came up with a meal plan. We did really good sticking to our meal plan last week. Every single meal that we had planned, we actually ate, except for one, and that will be tonight's dinner. So I wanted to do it again, meal planning, and sticking with a few things from our freezer in terms of venison, and then a few other things just to kind of mix it up. And I made sure to include lots of easy things so that on nights when I don't feel like cooking, I still will cook and not eat out. So we're going to have some steak sandwiches. Robbie really wants chicken wings, so we're probably going to do chicken wings one night. We're going to do a venison stroganoff and a venison spaghetti, so I will just split those meals up so that we're not having them back to back. We're going to do frozen pizzas one night, and then we're going to just do canned Italian wedding soup. So that's 6 meals. We'll have a leftover night / friend for yourself kind of night, and that will be how we get through the week. So hopefully I didn't forget anything. I am going to go back through. We did a little mini pantry inventory, but when I kind of straighten up and clean everything out, I'm going to go through again, make sure there's nothing else that we need, but feeling pretty good about this. And it's one more thing I can check off of my list. Dinner tonight is vegetable stir fry with an oriental sauce. It was just from the freezer section at Aldi. And I'm serving it over a bed of ramen noodles, and I have some chicken egg rolls on the side. Threw it together in like 15 minutes. It's a hit. We all like it, so that's our dinner for tonight.